How to get a domestic violence case dismissed. Domestic violence cases are a serious concern in the United States, with reports indicating that approximately 20 people are abused by a domestic partner every minute. Law enforcement treats these accusations with utmost seriousness to protect vulnerable victims. However, this strict approach can sometimes result in wrongful accusations, particularly in emotionally charged situations like divorces or family disputes. Such accusations can lead to significant legal consequences even if they are not true. Legalities of domestic violence charges in New York. Once domestic violence charges are filed, the decision to dismiss them is not in the hands of the accuser. The state prosecutes these cases independently to ensure victims are protected, and law enforcement is required to make a mandatory arrest when there is probable cause. Therefore, even if the accuser wants to retract their statement, they cannot simply drop the charges. The state holds the power to proceed, making it crucial for the accused to have a robust defense. A defense attorney can play a vital role in examining the evidence and representing the accused's rights. At times, cases are built solely on a complaint, witness statements, or visible injuries without substantial proof. While this might be sufficient for the charges to move forward, a conviction requires evidence beyond a reasonable doubt. Without solid evidence, such as medical records or corroborating witnesses, the prosecution may struggle to secure a conviction. Ways to dismiss a domestic violence case. Domestic violence cases can be dismissed under specific circumstances before they go to trial. Lack of clear evidence. If the prosecution's evidence is weak or contradictory, they may choose to dismiss the case rather than pursue a trial. Accuser's history of false claims. If the accuser has a history of making false accusations, the case might not meet the necessary burden of proof. Non-cooperation from the accuser. If the accuser recants their story or refuses to cooperate, the prosecution may be left without enough evidence to proceed. Mistaken third-party report. Sometimes, neighbors or other third parties report incidents based on misunderstandings. If it is proven that the reported event was not domestic violence, the case could be dismissed. Self-defense. Evidence showing that the accused acted in self-defense may lead to dismissal, particularly if the accuser is found to be the aggressor. Contradictory witness testimony. Statements from unbiased witnesses indicating no domestic violence occurred or that the accuser was the aggressor may favor dismissal. Process of dismissing a domestic violence case. Understanding the legal process is crucial when seeking a dismissal. The terms, charges dropped, and case dismissed, are often used interchangeably, but they refer to different stages. If charges are dropped, it means the authorities decided not to proceed, which can occur before or after the case begins. A dismissal, however, happens after charges are formally filed and indicates that the case was terminated in court. Working with an attorney experienced in domestic violence defense is essential to navigate these stages effectively. The attorney will investigate the incident, gather evidence, and work to present the best defense possible to either have charges dropped early or the case dismissed later. Facing domestic violence charges can have lasting impacts on your reputation, career, and personal life. Convictions may affect child custody, housing opportunities, and more. Given the severe consequences, having a defense lawyer who understands the complexities of domestic violence cases is crucial. The right legal team can protect your rights, explore all possible defenses, and aim for the most favorable outcome. At Lebedin Kofman LLP, our Nassau County domestic violence attorneys are ready to help you defend your case. We understand the stakes and are committed to providing aggressive, effective representation. Call us today at 516-212-4209 or visit our office at 600 Old Country Road number 205, Garden City, New York, 11514, to schedule your consultation and begin building your defense.